Friends, welcome back to another video. My name is Adil and you are watching my channel Vlogger 80. So today I will teach you how to use a Bunn machine. If you are in Saudi Arabia or Gulf country, so you need to know what is black coffee. According to Saudi Arabia, black coffee means this machine, Bunn machine. So we will take 150 grams of coffee, filtered paper, filter flask and 1800 ml water. This water is normal temperature, not cold, not hot. First we will open the cap and do not on this lower heater. Okay, if you on this, so this is too much chances for breakage or flash. So first we will take 1800 ml water, normal water, and now I am setting this filter paper into my filter flask. Now we will insert into the machine and we will pour 1800 ml water from the side of up. And this machine you can see V17 series. Every small and big cafe use this black coffee because this is ready to serve. Now I am pouring 1800 ml water from the side of off. And my friends, please make sure if you are using American coffee 100% Arabica beans, so you can get a good flavor of this black coffee. And this coffee shelf life is 3 to 4 hours. You can use this coffee 3 to 4 hours. After 3 or 4 hours you need to discard this coffee. Now all water is draining. After all water drain, we'll discard this water. Now the quantity of coffee is 150 grams. Okay, and again I take filter RO water 1800 ml. Okay, this is filter water 1800 ml, and this water we will discard it. And make sure do not on this lower heater machine button. Okay, now we will pour coffee in our flask. I am saying again, this coffee is 150 grams. So now we will tap our coffee and insert the machine carefully. After set, we will open the cap again and we will take 1800 ml water and pour from the side of up. Okay, then close the cap and waiting for all coffee brewing in our flask. Now coffee has drained successfully. Now this is the time for press button lower. If we press button lower, then our heater downside start. So they will make our coffee good 3 to 4 hours. And please do not touch this surface by your bare hands. It's more chances to burn your hand. Okay? And now it's the time for taste our coffee. Is this good or not? Okay? And remember, if you are serving your black coffee to the customer in dining cup, so please do your cup preheat like this. I am preheating my cup and now I am going to pour my coffee. In Saudi Arabia, this coffee called black coffee. This Bunn Machine coffee called black coffee. If any Saudi person will come in your coffee shop and ask for black coffee, so you can give this coffee. Now it's time for taste the coffee, and please, if you like my video, share, subscribe and like. After taste this coffee, I realize, yeah, this is the best coffee. And if you want how I teach this coffee to my new barista, please watch next video. Bye bye, take care.